Sentro ng bagyo sa bisinidad ng sa Ilocos pala to, Ilocos Norte sa may Pasukin. Inaasahan kawiner na hihina na ang bagyo sa mga susunod na araw kapag ito ay dumaan sa karagatang bahagi ng Ilocos region at lalabas din sa Philippine Area of Response.
Nagapanig kami kasi talaga sa simala. Nalungkot ng seryoso sila pa duwaan pa. Nahubog sa sinulog na nahulog. Labot tuyo na lang sa laka. Ay kog laka. Yeah. And I try to be strong. Can I put your words on your lips this time? And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause now I can't take.
Makakaya ko ba kung mawawala ka sa aking piling? Paano ba aamin? Baby, it's you, it's you, it's you, it's you I've been waiting for all along. Baby, it's you, it's you, baby, it's you.
Of mountaintops with him on top, living your sun, arms raised in a beam, the deadly in full.
I'm lying alone with my head on the phone, thinking of you till it hurts. I know you hurt too. Voice shakes along with my hands, 'cause it's frightening to be swimming in this strange sea. But I'd rather be here than on land. Yeah, she's all that I see, and she's all that I.
You are the one, the only one that I desire. When we touch, when we're one, you light the fire. The seasons we share.
Could get away, we'll be counting your tips. Windows down and screaming, I will wait for us. Everybody just wait for us. Yeah, we're coming, just wait. Oh, here she come, here she come. Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man eater.
Huwag ka lang mawalay sa'kin. Masakit man ang isipin na ako ang nanghiram. Kaya pinasya mong huwag nang ang ipaalam. At kahit hindi to tama, ako ay sumugal. Kahit na nga alam kung mayroon kang ibang mahal, binigay ko ang lahat kahit ganito.
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa magtsa, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labad.
Deep inside, I feel like there is no excuse, my friend, for breaking my heart. Breaking.
ako bilang regular viewer, kunyari, not talking to you yet. Parang everything seemed normal. Napakahaba po yung conversation. Game na game po kayo doon. Nakipagtawanan kayo and all. May mga konting tipo.
3 capsule helps avoid pain discomfort. Iwas-iwas sa sakit.
Huwag mo sabihin radyo.
Hi, Bangga! Hi, Bangga! Hi, Bangga! Hi,
You probably never loved someone like I do.
That song is brought to you by BDO Debit Card. Get ready to just debit with Sarah G and BDO Debit Card.